I'm Scott Mcdonald. I'm the Highway Operations Team Leader carrying out highway maintenance duties here at Derby City Council. As a highway authority, our responsibility is to carry out maintenance on all roads, footpaths, cycleways, carry out winter maintenance duties and emergency call-out duties. The impact that the Multihog's had is it's well over tripled our productivity within about 14 to 15 weeks, and it's allowed us to become much more efficient and patch within the in-house service without having to go to outside contractors. We're using it for either large-scale rip-outs and relays like you see here today. This job that we're currently on is 360 square meters, which this Multihog has managed to plane out within a day. We can also utilize that to come and do some footway repairs, footway maintenance and some small pothole repairs as and when we require. We've gone from doing around 50 square meters a day to now doing somewhere in the region of between 150 to 200 square meters a day, and that's plane out and put back of material. We're looking at now forecasting a repair of nearly 45,000 square meters within this financial year. Tenfold, our capabilities increased tenfold. We used to rely very heavily on contractor and outside contractor help and hiring that skill set in. It's allowed us at Derby to be able to train our own guys to be able to deliver them bigger and better programs. Its ability to be able to plane out true and level, we've never had that. We plane out 40 mil in the carriageway, 20 mil in the footway. This machine gives you that capability. This machine is not only a planing machine, but it's also a gritter. It's also a high pressured water pump. We have a brine tank on the back that we use for winter service operations. We use it within our city centre, our hard to reach areas, because it's such a small and compact machine. We also use it on a lot of cycleways. We used to hire in high pressured pumps, whenever we had a deep drainage job or an emergency kind of flooding situation. We now don't have to do that. We can call upon the Multihog. As long as they're competent and they know how to use it, anybody can jump in that machine. So all our guys that are on call, any one of them can get in that machine. So yeah, we've seen a massive decrease in kit we've had to hire, and same again with doing things like this, planing out roads and as such, we've been able to decrease the higher costs of hiring a 1 meter planer or a 1.5 meter planer. You'll never get away from the situation where you do have to hire them from time to time, but 360 square meters in a day speaks for itself. It's allowed us to become more self-sufficient, better value for money for the residents of Derby, and more bang for their buck really. I would definitely urge other authorities, if they're looking into going down this route or are struggling to find what would work best for them, to come and speak to me, to come and speak to Multihog, because at the end of the day, these machines are so versatile and they're a one-stop shop really for any local authority looking to really make a difference on their network.